Hi students, once again welcome back to our mathematics class. Our today's topic is area of circle. The area of the circle is equal to pi r square, where r is the radius of the circle and pi is equal to 3.14 or 22 by 7. Examples. Find the area of a circle of radius 30 centimeter. Here take pi is equal to 3.14. Solution. Given that radius is equal to 30 centimeter, we know that area of the circle is equal to pi r square. That is equal to 3.14 into here radius 30. So 30 square. That is again equal to 3.14 into 30 square means 30 into 30 is equal to 2826 centimeter square. So here area 2826 centimeter square. Now let us consider the following example. Diameter of a circular garden is 9.8 meter. Find its area. Solution. Given that diameter is equal to 9.8 meter, we want to find out its area. Here radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That is 9.8 by 2 is equal to 4.9 meter. We know that radius is equal to half of diameter. And area of the circle is equal to pi r square, which is equal to 22 by 7 into 4.9 square. We know that radius is equal to 4.9 meter. That is equal to 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9. That is equal to 75.46 meters square. Let us consider the next example. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius. Also find the area of the sheet. Here take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Here circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter. We want to find out its radius and its area. So solution, given circumference is equal to 154 meter. We know that the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. That is 2 pi r is equal to 154. That is 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 154. Therefore, r is equal to 154 into 7 divided by 2 into 22. That is equal to 24.5 meter. So here radius is equal to 24.5 meter. Next we have to find out its area. Area of the sheet is equal to pi r square. That is equal to 22 by 7 into here radius 24.5. So 24.5 into 24.5. That is equal to 1886.5 meter square. Let us consider the next example. From a circular sheet of radius 4 cm, a circle of radius 3 cm is removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Take pi is equal to 3.14. Here first we are going to find out the area of a circular sheet of radius 4 cm is equal to pi r square. That is equal to pi into 4 square because radius is equal to 4 centimeter. That is equal to 3.14 into 16 is equal to 50.24 centimeter square. Next we are going to find out the area of circular sheet of radius 3 centimeter. That is also equal to pi r square is equal to 3.14 into 3 square. Here radius equal to 3 centimeter. That is equal to 3.14 into 9, which is equal to 28.26 centimeter square. We want the area of remaining sheet, that is equal to 50.24 centimeter square minus 28.26 centimeter square. That is equal to 21.98 centimeter square. So the area of the remaining sheet is equal to 21.98 centimeter square.